Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM SX2, serial number 082CR16491. Machine was new in 2008. We're running it now. 1800 in the high range. It goes up to 5,000 RPM. (4,200 RPM). Machine has a R8 spindle. Takes an R8 collet. You have a torque right air actuated power drawbar. That's the low range. You have a 9x49 table, 31 inches of X, 16 of Y, 23.5 of the entire head up and down, and 5-inch quill travel. When you move the quill, it does the math on the control. Also, this machine has a Southwestern Industries TRAK SMX control, which is Windows based. That's your Z, your Y. It's original paint. You also have a remote go switch, power drawbar. I think you've seen it all. Hey, thank you for watching our video.